Yeah, I'm not a stage person. Okay, forgive me if I make any mistakes. So I've been meditating for past 3 years. First year I was off and on when I started meditating. So I attended first 40 days challenges. I attended is from Dr. Chandra Sir's Buddha Quantum Foundation meditation session. Those are the 240 days challenge that I started with. So yeah, it was pretty pleasant experience with Chandra sir. And then I will sit and meditate at home. And after that, after some time, I attended Balakrishna sir's Sage workshop. So how many of you here did not attend Sage workshop? Please raise your hands. So I attended Balakrishna sir's Sage workshop. If you attend sir's workshop itself, it will sir workshop is very great. It will remove a bucket of karma in your account. If you attend sir's workshop itself, you will be free of many karmas from the past life and from the current life too. Um, so after I attended Balakrishna sir's workshop, I used to follow the same thing whatever sir taught me. So my son Adit is, was studying eighth grade in Riverwatch Middle School. So due to attention and focus related issues, I have to pull him out of school, and he stayed home for some time. And I went to India, and I want to put him in some school in India, in Asia home school. Somehow I didn't get admission in Asia home school. And here in Georgia, I went to each and every school. I did school too. I was looking for admission for my son Adik for high school. And Alexander's Academy, Cottage School, Cumberland Academy, or the other schools in Georgia that I went for admission. Somehow I was not able to get my admission in that schools. I used to follow sir session లో సంకల్పం ఎత్తుకోమని చెప్పారు. ఎవ్రీ టైం నేను మెడిటేషన్ కూర్చోప్పుడు సంకల్పం ఎత్తుకుంటాను, సెల్ఫ్ ఓత్ ఎత్తుకుంటాను ఎవ్రీ డే. కీప్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ దట్ ఫర్ more than 1 year. I was still struggling to get admission for my son's school. After that, I have taken past life regression healing session with Mrs. Rajeshwari. I got the school name in an email at the past life regression healing session. Core Community School is the only school in Georgia that follows Anapanasati meditation. It's run by Mr. Diamond and Miss Annie. So I went to that. I got the school name in an email during the past life regression session. So I went to the school for the school. Mr. Diamond and Mr. Annie told me that consciousness-based education. So I told him I don't have any more questions because I know I've attended all the PSSM Masters session in online, and I know what consciousness is. My masters taught me, Sheeta Madam, Shrikant and Anila. Special thanks to Shrikant and Anila because I used to go to their home for meditation sessions. And I have to talk about Sirisha. I'm a frequent visitor to Anuradha Ayurvedic Clinic. Sirisha knows about Adit and me. So that's how I got added to this group. I'm very thankful to Mrs. Sirisha and her spouse. So whenever I go to Sirisha's house, I have the feeling like I came to my mom's house. Yes, thanks to Miss I mean, Mr. Diamond. So I attended all the school board meetings in Forsyth County Schools and Gwinnett County Public Schools. So depression is the common problem in high school kids. High school stress is another problem that kids are facing nowadays. So this school has proved that education is possible for any kids with learning disabilities, depression, or any kind of mental and physical illness. Education is possible with Anapanasati meditation, following mindful practices at school. Here I have Christopher Fix. So Christopher Fix is a life coach and a counselor at Core Community School. So he follows meditation and mindful practices at school. He is a life coach. He has more than 20 years of experience with kids. Life skills beyond classroom is his specialty. And I have attended Christopher's session. I had go to his monthly sessions. So I'm glad that he is here. He is this core community school is the only school in US. They follow Anapanasati meditation as a part of their school curriculum. Wow. So I have watched. There is one master in Tamil Nadu. He is a part of Alkathir Pyramid Meditation Center. His name is Ayappa. Maybe Srikant knows him. So Ayappa, so in all of his sessions, he would actually say meditation should be a part of the school curriculum. So this is a family-owned school, owned by US citizens. So this is the only school that proved meditation. And thank you, Chris, for coming here.